G'day, it's Mark here. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to go and check out some more cars for Murray, and also a couple of cars that I've got over here in the US. Mindy's beautiful Durango V8. Love the taillights. Very cool. Here we are in downtown Tiffin. The yellow school buses, pretty iconic. I guess if you're an American, you'd just be used to that. That's just how you went to school. But it's very iconic, and yeah, for us, it's something different. And this is the main street of Tiffin. It's a beautiful town. We love coming here. Beautiful. I think that's about a 68. Hey Murray, is that 68? Yeah. 440. Yeah. Beautiful.
That's 19,000 original miles.
Really?
That's original tires.
19,000 miles. Wow, original tires. I like all the stainless work at the bottom.
I haven't
even. 19,000 miles. Can you believe that? Let's have a look at the interior. Wow. It smells new. It's beautiful Imperial. Check this out. Gorgeous. Now this is an Elwood angle. You can see the influence by the Lincoln Continental, or well, Elwood angle did both. He did the 61 Continental. He was probably still thinking about it when he did this. Let's have a look inside. Wow, gorgeous. How's that for an interior? Gee, they did things well. Beautiful headlining, all the chrome, the beautiful bench seat with the leather. Nice dash, the vertical ribs, push button auto, stainless on the door trims. Gee, it's lovely. What a gorgeous car. It's a Crown. It's not even the LeBaron, so there's a higher series model than this.
Do you want me to shut this wood? Not all the way, that's fine.
So that's an original sticker from 1968. Wow. You bought it from Pennsylvania? Mm-hmm. Yeah. And just a family had owned it since new, or?
I actually bought it from the AACA library because it was donated.
Oh, right. Beautiful. What a gorgeous car. I like the hubcaps too.
Yeah, it's got the deluxe hubcaps.
And also this trim down the bottom. Was that optional?
No, on the four-door hardtop, that was standard.
Oh, standard. Okay. Wow. So it's obviously just all original paint.
Yeah, original paint. A few little
So
spots like that.
But that's all right. But that's kind of what makes it original, isn't it?
I would not redo it.
No.
It won't be original.
No.
Yeah, no.
Gee, that's nice.
Just look at that dash and stuff.
What are you doing?
He's it's a bit cold. It's better. Oh, he's going that way. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. I like the colour of this car. I like how is that blue in the middle of the hubcap too?
Yes.
Yeah.
And that year they color matched.
I like that. I like that idea. 1,000 miles, been sitting. It's got old gas in it. Oh, really?
Drained it empty. Okay.
But it's still going to be.
The plugs are probably,
Yeah, I'll have to plug
they'll be
it.
all clogged up with rubbish. But it's very clean. Is that the original paint on the air cleaner?
I think so.
Wow. Little Bronco too. I quite like these. No good with an Imperial engine. Wouldn't turn. Yeah.
Two thumbs down.
Yeah. Thumbs down. Another Ford Bronco here. I kind of like the colour scheme, like a very retro 60s look. Here's a little Ford Bronco. It looks kind of cool. I like the horse on the back. It's got like steel wheels, black diamond edition. Yeah, it looks kind of cool. I think they should sell these in Australia. I think it would sell pretty well. Yeah, I like it. This is in Tiffin. It reminds me of Back to the Future with these sort of statues and the square. Make sure the lightning hits it at the time, and then travel at, what is it, 88 miles an hour or something? It's a very cool bar here in Tiffin, Ohio. What's it called? We'll find out what it's called in a minute. The Renaissance, or Renaissance, depending on which school you went to. Very nice. Got the metal ceilings and the old Budweiser.
Oh, it's a bourbon bar.
Yeah, bourbon bar. And then the other guys are down here getting a drink. And then there's another floor up here. I know this is not car related, but it's USA road trip related, so there you go. Very cool. Enjoying this place. It's actually really, really cool.
So that's original from Tiffin, Ohio, back in the day sign.
That's really cool.
That's two-sided, neon both sides.
Beautiful. Love that. That is really cool. I love the Ford sign. That 65 Galaxy, that's a nice looking car. And this Pontiac Grand Prix.
Right there, see, behind this white Grand Prix, you see that blue one?
Yes.
That is a 67 Grand Prix convertible, 428 4-speed.
Right, wow.
That car is... Oh,
That's gorgeous, isn't it? Very cool. And is that a 60?
That's a 65 Plymouth Belvedere sedan max wedge clone.
Right, that's very nice. I like that.
Yeah, that's a 65 Belvedere max wedge.
It's right outside our hotel room. A nice little a deer, a female deer. Very nice. So we're at Walmart here, and Check out the pumpkins in anticipation of Halloween. Americans love their Halloween. You can check out just a couple of the funny things they do during the Halloween season.
I really do enjoy cats, especially cats. They are delicious. Feeling a little gloomy today? For a very long time. Let me out of here. Welcome. Don't be afraid.
See if you can.
Let me out. Hands off. Attack got you. You? Wait, where are you going? Come back here. Take care. People are busy in this house. Oh, let me out. I'm innocent, I told you. Innocent.
Well, ask the guy, governmentdeals.com, he reckons you can buy them, but they're scrapping most of them. So anyway, we'll see how we go, but there's one right there. I'd like to be able to get one. Okay, so I'm going to the USPS office and I want to check out how do I get my hands on an LLV. So I'm going to go into the United States Post Office in Tiffin, Ohio and see if I can get my hands on an LLV. Highly unlikely, but if you don't ask, you will never get one. Downtown Tiffin. Tiffin, such a nice area. Look at these houses. Beautiful. Such a nice area. I definitely live here, I reckon. Here's a very cool praying mantis. Now if I do this, it can move its head. Come on, look around. Very cool. Wow, that looks really good.